Hello guys. I'm so happy you're here. Want a smoother, more confident sketches? Try this simple trick. Start with a soft pencil. Don't press too hard. Just find the basic form. Then slowly add the details.
It's me. It's me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.